Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing, right? So let's go into the Instagram mobile application here. And basically just to open your Notes feature, your account should be in, you can see here that I have got this Notes feature. So how I can enable it if it is not enabled in your account? So basically you have to just click on the profile icon and you have to click on the three lines, then just go to your setting, and after that just go to the privacy, and here you have to search for activity status and you have to just turn it on, right? And after turning it on, just let's go back and whether I can see my notes feature or not. So I will just go back here. So let me just go back, and here it is available, but if it is not showing in your, you have to do one more thing. You have to just go to the Play Store, or if you're using iPhone, then just go to the App Store there, and here you have to search Instagram, right? And after searching that, you have to make sure that you update the mobile application. So after updating the mobile application, this will definitely fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have one more solution. You have to just go to the setting of your phone, then you have to search here. You can search it, or otherwise I will show you by scrolling, right? Just scroll a little bit down and click on the app management and just click on the app list, and here it will take a very few seconds just to load depending upon the apps that is present in your phone, right? So just wait here, and after waiting you have to search Instagram. If you don't have search option, you can just scroll it down to the Instagram, and here you will get option that is called storage usage. So just click on the storage usage, clear the cache here, and after the clearing the cache, make sure that you reopen the Instagram, and if this fixes a problem, then it's great, but if it doesn't, then this solution will definitely, you have to just clear app data. So after clearing app data, this will delete all the unnecessary files that is present in your phone, and it will do one more thing. You have to re-log in into the Instagram app, right? So this is it guys. This is pretty easy how to fix the Instagram notes feature not showing, and I hope you found your solution in this video. And if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and thanks for watching this video.